Ready to ditch that default crosshair and unlock your true aiming potential in CS2. First things first, launch Counter-Strike and look towards the left side of your screen, where you'll spot the settings gear icon. Give that a click. A new window pops up. Navigate to the game tab. It's typically located towards the top of the screen. Click on it to access the game settings. Now, scroll down within the game settings until you find the Crosshair section. This is where the magic happens. See that Crosshair Style drop-down menu. Click on it and you'll find a variety of preset options like Classic Static, Classic Dynamic, or even just a simple experiment and choose the style that feels right for you. Below the style option, you'll find sliders and toggles for fine-tuning your crosshair. Adjust the size, thickness, and outline to create the perfect visual aid for your playstyle. Don't be afraid to go wild. Want to add some personal flair? Dive into the color settings. You can select from a range of preset colors or use the RGB sliders to create a custom hue that really pops against the in-game environments. Want to try out a professional's crosshair? Click the Share or Import Profile button to use another player's crosshair, or copy and paste to share yours. Hop into a practice match and test out your new crosshair. Tweak it further until it feels like an extension of your hand. A well-chosen crosshair can make all the difference in securing those crucial headshots. Go get 'em.